Now I will give you another example to make it more clear to you. This is x and f, right? Now again class interval is given here, frequency is given in this form, x you will write down first here in the vertical column, frequency in the vertical column like this, calculate CF, that is cumulative frequency, then find out n upon 4th item, this is n is 80, so 80 upon 4 that is 20th item, 3 n upon 4th item is 3 into 80 upon 4 that is 60th item. Q1 write down the formula in the same manner as you have done earlier, L1 plus n upon 4 minus CF upon f into I. Put the values here, n upon 4th item is 20th, so 20 is here, this is L1, this is CF and this is F. So 20 L1, this is 20th item, so n upon 4 is 20 minus 8 preceding cumulative frequency, then frequency in front of this and then class interval of 20, simplify it and get the answer, right. Similarly Q3, L1 plus 3 n upon 4 minus CF upon f into I. Now here 3 n upon 4 is 60th item, 60th item is here. First locate the item, 60th item is here, this will be your L1, this will be CF and this will be F, and class interval is 20, put the values and get the answer. So it is very, very simple and very interesting also, right. If you do it properly, always will get the correct answer. I hope you have learnt it properly and you must have enjoyed doing the calculations, and you will be curious to do more and more practice so that the concept is clear to you. So this completes your chapter number 9. Next we will proceed to chapter number 10, that is measures of dispersion. Thank you.